welcome back to It's Spring. Today we are going to make an origami envelope. All you'll need is a piece of paper. I think I'm using one size up A4, a pen, but I'm using a gel crayon. A pen, but I'm using a gel crayon, and a sticky note. Or you can use one of these, which is just something that you rip off from a piece of square paper from one of these papers to make it a square. I'm going to be using one of a sticky note, but you can use this if you want. So the first step is, if you want, you can write your note on the sticky note with your pen, but I'm gonna make the envelope first. Pause the video if you're gonna write it. Pause the video if you're gonna write the note on the sticky note first. Now, fold in half the short way, also known as hamburger style. Like that. And then, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unfold the paper and we're gonna fold this corner to this crease and the same right here, like that. And do the same right here, like I said. That, and fold this in here, like that. Do the same right here. What we'll do is we'll fold it in triangle like this. Now I'm gonna turn it so you have a good view. And you're going to, and then you're gonna open this up here. You're gonna open this up. So you're opening this side up and flattening it down like that. Make the crease on the inside. You guys have a much better view than me, because right now I can't even see. And like this. And then you're gonna do the same on the other side. So you're gonna open this up here. You're gonna flatten it down and then make the crease like that. Now you're gonna turn it so that this right here is pointing to you. I'm making a point to you right now. Now we're gonna fold this there. Do the same right here. And final step, fold it down here. Like that. Make the crease. And make a really good crease here, because this we want to stay down like an actual envelope. If it comes out just that much, that's okay. Like that. Now you can set that aside and take the sticky note or this, and you're gonna flip it over to the side that has the stick part right here, and you're gonna fold it so that it's not sticky. So it looks like a square, so it kind of looks like a square, but it's actually a rectangle, because we folded that down there, the sticky part. And when you're finished with that, you're gonna take your pen and you're gonna write the note. Can you pause? Like this. I wrote my note, not on the part where we folded it back, but on the part where we didn't on the part that does not have the sticky side where we folded it back. Now, we're gonna take the envelope and we're gonna put this and we're gonna open the last step, and then we're gonna hold it like that, and then we're just gonna take the top layer right here, not so that it does that, just like put that in, and then put the note in there, push that, close it in, that. Better, guys, like that, and that is how you make the origami envelope. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe.